Salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I'm here today to weapon tap on your head with another ADH wealth solution. Today, I want to talk again about insurance and financial professionals and the craziness of this business. Something I realized is that a lot of people take this more as a job as opposed to a business, not understanding that this is a business and not a job. What do I mean by that? Again, you wear a lot of hats, right? So there's a lot of different things that you're going to end up having to do in this business because you're in business for yourself. And it's not a job. So, you don't get up and just have the same task every day. I'm going to get further into it, but before I keep going, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. So, ladies and gentlemen, like I was saying, I want people to realize that oftentimes there's a lot of people who look at insurance and financial services as, a side hustle or something like a side business. Like, oh, I do taxes and I also do insurance. And while that's cool, this is really almost like a full-time job. You want to kind of do it full-time. Just like you want to take accounting serious full-time, right? So you'll get a lot of people who take this business more like a job. And because of that, you, the client, end up losing and not getting stellar service. So at the end of the day, it's really important to make sure that as a financial professional, you are taking this serious. And if you are doing it part-time, you work with someone who's doing it full-time, who is solely focuses on, servicing the client, understanding products, and things like that. Because what happens all too often is when people are doing it part-time or, they're not gung-ho, they don't study enough. And when they don't study enough, they don't get all of the knowledge that's necessary to properly advise or to properly take care of their client. Because now your client gets put in a position where you don't know all the ins and outs of certain products or competing product. Like people who tell you only buy term insurance, or people who tell you only buy IULs, or people who tell you only buy whole life insurance. Each product exists for a reason. So what ends up happening is financial professionals will down something, and then because they don't have any knowledge on it, right? Even licensed like stockbrokers, right? People will tell you about investments, right? They'll tell you, oh, buy term, invest the rest. Whole life insurance or permanent life insurance is a terrible investment. Number one, because it's not an investment. But number two, because they don't understand insurance, right? That's like somebody saying, okay, well, when you're buying stocks, that's great, buy stocks. But you should only buy blue chips. You shouldn't buy any other stocks, right? Only blue chips. And if you don't know what blue chips are, then you have no business investing, right? But at any rate, so you're looking at the fact that a lot of people take this more as a job instead of a business. And because they take it as a job, they neglect so many different areas that are important and that they could have serious expertise in. And it's something that you wouldn't want to have, I don't know, some other type of professional kind of take that shortcut on with stuff for you. So why would you have them as your financial professional take that type of shortcut, right? You wouldn't have a doctor that says, oh, every person with this condition should only take this, that, and the third. or what have you. You know, how's it going? Right. So you know, it's different. How's it going? Can I order for takeout or to go? Uh, oh, I didn't order yet. Yeah, no, yeah, I'd like to order. Thank you. Yeah, I'll sit over here. Okay. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna take it out to go, so no, I don't need to say it. I can just look at the menu. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna order my food. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description. With that being said, white bass, work in progress every day and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you. They challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.